What's up, everybody? It is Tuesday, about 11 o'clock, something like that, 10:45 and 11 o'clock. No work done on Monday on this thing. We were just way too busy here, but today I got some breathing room. We're gonna knock some stuff out. But first, let me show you some stuff we did this weekend up at Good Evening Ranch in West Virginia. Whoa, whoa! So for today, I've been plugging away with stuff already. I've got some cross members fully welded in, already made another one. Today's job, mount these seats, because Thursday, going over to 12 State Off-Road, and we're gonna start the cage on this thing. So here's what we have. I've already started going through and welding everything up solid. Just made this guy, the seat rail. The driver's side is going to be adjustable. We'll sit on it. Got to make some feet to angle it up. Had to clearance it a little bit on the back side to clear the transfer case. No big deal there. And I'm getting ready to start welding this side. Let me put you guys on some stand. Alright, the next thing I've done is made some little nut standoffs here, so those will flip upside down. They're very hot still. So, you got a little angle to them. So they will go here. And I've done a hole so the bolt can pass through. So it'll sit something like that. This one, the same thing. Hole in the frame. We'll weld those guys down now. All right, so fast forward in time again. Seat is fully mounted, test fit, feels awesome. I have drawn up passenger side seat mount right there, and we're currently cutting them out. All right, fast forward. Got the tabs all tacked in place. The passenger seat there is not going to be on a slide. It's going to be bolted in place. Obviously, this one just welded straight to the frame. This side, that little hook I made comes down, grabs there, that one there, and then I've just taken a piece of 1" 90 here, welded it in there, got everything tacked in place, and we're going to make a brace that comes over right there next. Let's get it welded. All right, so that's all done. Seats all mounted. Everything, all the cross members I made are welded. Now we're underneath it right now because this trans cross member we just bought to support the new transfer case needs a cross member. So what I'm gonna do is come off this right here, make a little mount that comes out, and you'll see it in a second. All right, well, the transfer case cross member is in. Welded on. Yep. And the next one is going to be the transfer case cross member. So these two bolts right here that are usually unused, we're going to use those to come down, and then I'm going to build a removable cross member that goes passenger side and the driver's side that also supports the transfer case. The factory transfer case off an FJ Cruiser. They usually don't have support on even factory ones, so not 100% sure if it's needed or not, but I want to play it safe here. Plus it'll give me a cross member, so when we do the full belly skid, that'll be the very back right there. So let's start measuring out for it, find some bolts that fit those holes, and got a quick idea of how to make this fast. So here we go.
All right, so what I've done is pretty much copied the factory cross member. Having to voice this over because there's too much background noise of the plasma cutter running, but it copies the same angles and everything. So when we do a full flat belly underneath, it will line up pretty much exactly as the factory cross member does.
So it is right at 5 o'clock here. This is what we got done. We got the transfer case mount, which I've already shown you. And then I've got the rear cross member tacked in place. Look at that fit and finish from the plasma cutter. No grinding, just 1/4 inch radius. But we got little gussets up in there. We got drain holes. Beautiful. Tomorrow, we'll continue making the cross member, get it done, and then we should be done underneath. But I copied that angle right there to these. It's kind of hard to get it. So we can, kind of both side, the underside and the bottom will be a flat skid plate all the way under. I'm gonna call that good for the day for the video. I'll edit this thing tonight. Again, it is Tuesday. This will go live tonight. I'll edit it as soon as I get home. It should hit, tonight. You guys enjoy it. Very up to date on the thing. Not like keeping you a week behind or anything like that. If you're a customer and you come by the shop, you'll see exactly where I'm at as far as the videos, and the same thing if you guys want to stop by and take a look at it. More than welcome to stop by, hang out. Well, not hang out. You can't come in the shop for insurance reasons, but you can come by and look at it from the door right here. But like, subscribe, share this thing to your Facebook groups, because any views and likes, anything like that just helps us out a ton with the YouTube video and trying to get to that certain peak so we get on the right algorithms. Oh, Another thing, Warren is now on board. So of course we went Warren winch on this thing, reached out to them, told them what we're doing, what we're building. They're super excited to help us out. Leave a surprise of what winch we're gonna put on this thing. But yeah, Warren, because why not? You know, they're the number one in the business for a reason. So yeah, super excited for that. Other than that, I'll leave you guys with some more B-roll. See you guys later.